Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm sitting in the half light because I want to announce the fact that I've just added 2 prizes to my June draw. I've been sent 2 high-powered little torches. I'll show you in a bit more detail in a moment, but 2 of these will now be entered in the June draw. And I'm telling you this now because today, the 25th of the month, is the cut-off date for joining my club if you want to be in with a chance of winning one of these. I now have a club. It's off YouTube through my website, and every month I give away all the products that product providers send me to review, and we've had 6 draws already since we launched, and we've given away lots of lovely prizes on the 1st of June. I'm now adding 2 of these high-powered little torches. Right, this is a biscuit tin. It's made out of metal, just to demonstrate the fact that is magnetic, and it comes with a tiny little wrist strap, so you can put it on there. It will light whatever you're working on. You could also attach that to the boot of your car or underneath the bonnet of your car. And on this little wrist strap is a clip, so you can clip it to your dog collar. It will light wherever your dog is walking, and you'll be able to see your dog as well. Isn't that wonderful? It's got several different settings ranging from dim all the way up to very bright. I won't shine it directly into the camera because it is very bright. You can wear it as a necklace because it comes supplied with a chain, and there is also a lanyard so you can attach it to your car keys and take it with you wherever you go. Isn't that great? I'm very happy with it. I'm that happy with it that I'm giving it to you. If you join my club, you'll be in the draw. So don't forget, head over to my website, markshousegarden.com. Join the club. £1 a month, £12 a year. You get exclusive content every month. You get my newsletter every month, and you get the giveaway gift bundle, which is my prize draw every month. Hope to see you there. Bye for now.